Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I have another kind of collective haul of random things I've been buying recently. A lot of these things were pretty inexpensive and or on sale. I also have more of Target's holiday decor, some really good things that I'm excited about that actually aren't sold out. So I'm excited to get into it. I'll have everything linked down below along with my Instagram, my like to know it, which is usually where you can find the links to all the things I show in my videos. Yeah, that's everything I have to say. Let's get into it. I love an understated Christmas decor, especially for the common areas in my house. So I got these candlestick holders that are ceramic. I got the smaller one and the big one, but to me they look like Crate and Barrel for less. You guys, I'm so excited. I have a ton of really colorful candlesticks that I've never known how to style, and this was released last year on Target. It's the Magnolia line, because usually these kind of candle holders are so expensive. They came out with like an even better version this year, which is this one. It was only $40. I stayed up till 2 a.m. to be able to snag it before it sold out, and it's here. So I thought I would put all my colorful little velitas right now, and then when Christmas rolls around officially, I can switch it to more neutral ones. I'm obsessed. This looks so cute. I'm actually gonna light them up right now just for a bit. Okay, don't mind the gift card stuff right here, but oh my god, I'm obsessed. I can't get over it. The candlesticks are from H&M. Don't recommend. I would go for the Amazon ones, but oh my god, if this comes back in stock, I'll let y'all know because I'm obsessed. I finally got the Studio McGee velvet ornaments, and I thought I would unbox them with y'all because I got them last year as well, and I don't know why these look weird to me, like the colors off or something. Here's the thing, these are sold out, have been sold out since the moment they released them. My tip, if you want to get Target stuff, is to stay up till 2 a.m. or later. Most sold out things are restocked in the middle of the night. Anyway, I was right, they're a little bit different. The colors are a little more cool tone and muted. On the tan, it's a little more gray. I wanted to show you all the difference between these two ornaments. 2023s, and then these are 2022s. So way more cool tone. Same here. See how it was like a much richer, almost like reddish brown. Now it's like a grayish brown. I don't know, I kind of lean more towards warm neutrals rather than grays. I feel like they're more cozy, especially for the holidays. This is last year. And then this is this year. It's probably the least different. Yeah, these are more so the same. I tried to get the Hobby Lobby ones for weeks back in September, and I couldn't find them, so I'll settle for these. So I have a tradition every single year since my husband and I live together. I get an ornament frame with the year on it. So I have two options. I have the exact same one for 2019, which I don't love it. I like to change them annually. So I also have this option, which doesn't have the year, but I can always write it or Cricut it. I can always use my Cricut and put 2023. So let me know what you think I should do. I decided to keep this one. I'm gonna do the Cricut project, and then I'm gonna wait for our Christmas card photos. But if you want something similar, Amazon has some really good options, and so does Hobby Lobby. I'm using this one for a little ultrasound picture. I thought it was cute. This is like $2. I already had a nativity scene from last year. It's more cutesy, but I thought this one was more minimal in our dining area. I thought it went better with like our living room decor. I don't know though, this was $35, and I don't know if y'all can tell how tiny, like everything's so small. Even like the largest piece is like the size of my finger, because I feel like the price point is really steep for what it is, but they are ceramic. What should I do? Please tell me. A while ago I shared with y'all this ornament that I got made. It's a replica of Olivia's birthday cake in this like miniature form. It's not too little, it's like 3D, and she did it exactly like her cake. I loved it so much. As soon as I had the pictures ready from her second birthday cake, I sent them over, and y'all, she did such a good job. This thing is adorable, and I just can't wait to fill my tree with all her cakes and my son's cakes throughout the year. It's not really that expensive, and I feel like it's such a cute gift. I'll put like a side-by-side picture. Okay, here's a pro tip for shopping on Anthropologie. Save everything that you want to get from there to your save for later, to your wish list, whatever. And then every so often they do these really crazy sale on sale. So they do 40% off their sale section, and even though it's final sale, which is the only risky thing, y'all, the prices are hard to beat. So I got a few things. I got 2 candles. They're the same kind of style but in different colors and scents. This one is new to me. It's the scent Fern Moss. It smells very woody and kind of fresh. I really like it. I love the jar. I mean, this is stunning. Black version. This one is really cool as well. I definitely prefer the scent and the jar of the other one, but this one is the scent Soul Tobacco, whatever. They're so pretty. I'm obsessed. I think they usually retail for like $59, which is wild for a candle, but I got them for $29 with the sale. So really exciting. I love these, so I might gift this one and keep this one. Then I got this for $1. I feel like Anthropologie monogram mugs are super popular, and thankfully they have every single letter on the alphabet, so when things go on clearance, usually the least popular things are on sale, which is my name or my initial. So I got this one. It's really cool. It looks handmade. I love all the detail and character to it. And yeah, I was right, $12. I got it for $1.90 something. One thing I always try to get from that sale section is books for Olivia. Anthropologie has really cool books, and they're usually like over 20 bucks, which is wild, but they sell out so quick. So these were the only ones I was able to snag. This set of crayon books, the day the crayons came home and the day the crayons quit. I don't know, she's gonna love these, I know it, but I'm gonna save it for Christmas because I told my husband yesterday, all the gifts that I get Olivia, or all the toys or all the things from now until December, will be under the tree. From that same sale section, I got 4 of these really cool cereal bowls. I'm trying to get more matching sets of bowls, and we had like so many IKEA ones. I love the detail of these. I think I paid in total like $25 for the 4-pack, so pretty good. And I got a few more coming in the mail. I'm trying not to buy a ton of clothes, but this was in my save for later, and this is what I mean when you see something that you like, save it, and then you'll know if it goes on sale. It's this beautiful floral dress. I don't know if y'all can tell. It's like the most gorgeous detailing. This retails for $170. I almost bought the white one full price for Olivia's baptism, and I'm so glad I did it because I got this one for $59, which is wild. And Anthropologie has petite sizes and plus size and a lot of really good sizing, so I got the small petite. Unsure if this is gonna fit me now, but it's definitely gonna fit me later, and I love it. It's like, imagine this for Easter. Obsessed. I love it so much. Also, the dress I'm wearing right now was the same thing. It's great for the bump. It's just like light and airy, except for the pockets. The pockets are like in a weird spot, but it was super cute, especially for right now and for the price point. So this is a wooden ribbon holder and dispenser. I always kind of struggle to wrap stuff, and I only started using ribbon last year, so I thought this would be useful to have. The quality is not like incredible by any means. It wasn't too expensive though, so I'll let you guys know if this was useful. If you're a toddler parent, Target comes out with seasonal designs of these melamine plates. They're great for kids. They're so cute. Olivia gets so excited. We have their Halloween ones and their Easter ones, and now Christmas. I just got her this little gingerbread man, and the Santa Claus is already somewhere in our kitchen, and she also really likes these. Last year they had Santa Claus and I think a gingerbread man. This year they have a little dog, and it says Feliz Navidad. Love. It's a little cringy when you speak Spanish. It's like, but I thought it was so cute. I also got these clips from the Studio McGee line. I don't know if I'm gonna keep these, to be honest. I wasn't expecting them to have this like weird, almost like worn texture to them, the branches. I'll try it right now and show y'all, since I have to kind of change out some of the ornaments and see. Then I know this is not right, but I think I decided to return these. Not my favorite look. Just think they look kind of odd, at least like the way I did it. how it works. I also got these nails from Target. Ignore my self-tan hands, but they're Olive and June, and I think they're so pretty for white nails. They have like the slightest pink undertone so they don't look like straight up like chiclets. I don't know why that's the first thought that came to my mind, but I'll link them if I can find them. So guys, that's everything for today's video. If you enjoyed it, definitely give it a big thumbs up and let me know what you want to see next. I have a lot of videos coming up, gift guides, giveaways, all the good things. So stay tuned and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.